Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can play music through your microphone here in Voicemod. So let's get started. First, of course, you need to download the Voicemod app here in voicemod.net, and you need to click here so that you can download it, and after you've downloaded it, you can now install it. The installation is very straightforward and it's really quick and simple, so you'll have no trouble with it. So once you have installed it, go here to the Voicemod app and it will ask you to log in, and you just need to connect your Google account or other accounts so that you can log in. It's just one click and you're done. So once you have logged in, you will be sent here, and then here is the voice box. You can change your voice using this kind of voice changers. You don't use it, but that's not our topic for now. Our topic here is in soundboard, because we need to play music through a microphone, and this is where we can do that. So to add your music, simply click here on browse file or drag your sound here, but we're gonna click on browse files and let's select the music that we want to play. Let's hit open and wait for it to load. There, it is now loaded here. So if you want to play it, you could just click. Let's just stop it for a moment, or you can just click to play it, or you can add a keybind here. Click here on add keybind. Let's say we want to keybind it with the letter B. There is letter B. So every time you press letter B now, the music will start. So let's press letter B. And as you can see, it has sounded really well. So you can also use these other sounds here, like nuclear, draw, and selfie, but it is up to you, and that is how you play music through your microphone using Voicemod.